Hello and welcome to BMed in Revit tutorials. In this tutorial I would like to show you an example that will help you to understand the difference between Revit and AutoCAD. Now here we have project. This is A1 paper size sheet presentation of the project. This is the model of the project. This is the project of family house. I did for Belgium market, and now we want to make some changes of this project. So I will show you how to do that and how much time we'll need to spend for these changes. This is, as I said, this is A1 paper size presentations, and all drawings are here when we speak about sections, elevations, and isonometries, axonometries, isonometry sections, and 3D views. So, for example, we want to add some windows on the facades, and all drawings where those windows appear will be made automatically. We just need to add them to the floor plans. Now we will go to ground floor plan. This is ground floor plan, and we want to add some windows, for example, on these rooms here. This is technical room. This is WC room. So from here I will select the window, and I will add one window here. Okay. I will make some adjustments here to move this window on the wall. Okay, that's it. And I will add one window here also. You will see that these changes will be long as this tutorial. Now, for example, your client wants some changes to be made on this project. For example, those changes. We decide to add the windows on this side, and for example, we want to add one window here also. And how much time you will save using Revit to make these changes. All right, I will change the... I have already made window here. Okay. I will do some changes here also. All right, that's it. And we will add one window here. Let it be this one. Okay. Here will be 3 centimeters, and here will be 10 centimeters. Okay, we will change also. Let's see how it looks like on the 3D view. We need to change the height of this here. It will be something. Okay, it looks good. And we will change the height of these two also. Okay, now I will go on first floor, and I will add one window here. Those are examples. You can make changes. For example, we can make the make changes on the dimensions of the window. We can change the width or height on the window. And as you know, when you do it in the AutoCAD, I think everyone knows that you need to make these drawings separately on every drawing where these changes appear. It can be section, elevations, details, uh, schematic shop drawings for the windows, and in the 3D views, also in the renders after you make the changes on the CAD file. Later you need to make changes on the software that you used for creating 3D presentation, 3D model, and after that you need to make changes on the renders. So in Revit you just do it in the, as you can see, I did it only in the floor plans. And after this, as I have ready the sheet presentation, here I will add only the plan region. Okay, and I will change the height of cutting. It will be, all right, that's it. And I will go on ground floor, and I need to add the plan region here also. Okay. And we will change the height of the cut plan. All right, that's it. Now, when we go to 3D view, 3D view is ready. You can use it for the presentations, for the renders also. For example, I'm using, for example, I use D5 render, and I synchronize the changes between the model and D5 render, and automatically I have ready renders for clients. All right, here looks everything is okay. And now let's go to the sheet presentation so you can see every change. All right, here you can see the changes on the elevations. I think we don't need this window here. We will leave only the window in the ground floor, and as you can see, when we delete it from here, it will disappear in all other drawings. Okay, you can see we have changes here also. No, in this drawing is it here. All right, we have window here. All right, you see we have window here. Okay, and in every drawing where those windows are visible, for example in this section here, you can see, and also in this isometric section view the window is visible. So this is one of the advantages you see in this tutorial that show difference between Revit and AutoCAD. You see in all these 3D views the changes appears. And now if I want to create the renders with these changes, I will synchronize the Revit file with D5 render, and in that way I will finish this project in how much time we spent. You can see how much time I spent for the tutorial. That is the time needed to make these changes on the project. So dear friends, this is all for this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share my works with your friends and colleagues, so this tutorial will be useful for them also. See you in the next tutorial.